Today we are going to actually fit an ARB Snorkel onto a 1979 CJ for which it's intended for a YJ. Here is the snorkel kit. That's model number SS1000HF by ARB. Again, designed for a YJ, not a CJ, but we're going to make it work. So we got a lot of parts here that come with it. A whole bag of goodies. A lot of the stuff we probably won't need considering it's for the YJ. This is a very basic install and we're going to be doing a lot of custom modification. So my new paint job here, I had my buddy Joe who did the paint cut me some holes here. Show you here is the actual fitment of the product. This is going to be kind of hard because I'm doing it by myself. But again, this not being for a CJ, I was very concerned whether it was actually going to fit and line up. I did not have it on hand, so I just bought it and just took my chances. Alright, so what you'll see here is that the holes line up good. And you can see that it runs right up the side of the body here. It's kind of hard to tell, but the fitment is really pretty good. It rides all the way up the frame of the windshield here really well. I actually already pre-installed this bracket, you'll see there, and that's designed to mount to the windshield frame, like so. So it really is designed perfectly for a YJ, which just so happens to be perfect for a CJ as well. The body dimensions are nearly identical, if not identical. So you'll see here that's all going to work out good as far as that's concerned. Now it's a matter of getting it all hooked up and kind of jerry-rigging the filtration system in the tubes to the inside. It's called strip caulk. It's kind of like bubble gum almost, the way it feels. Very sticky. So I ran that all along where it's going to touch the body of the Jeep, basically just to protect the paint from getting ruined from this vibrating ever so slightly as it moves. What I didn't want to do is trap water in if water should find its way in. It has a way out down here, so it can run back out if it has to. So now I'm going to try to stick this on the Jeep without getting it stuck somewhere it shouldn't be. Anything with this Jeep, holes don't always line up, so I'll just have to deal with only one screw in there for now. I'll have to figure out the rest later. Installed using the bolts provided and added some stainless washers in there. I'll mount it up here. Bolt on the inside. I used the big flared washers that it came with just because those holes are a little bit bigger than what the bolts were. And then also on the inside, both sides, the big flared washers on there. And then we got that strip caulking as the finished product there. Try to seal that off a little bit. Ran it all the way up here, although it doesn't really touch the frame too much along this way, but it's solid. It's not going anywhere. So looking good. Now we just got to get the inside all figured out, how we're going to put that together with the air cleaner that I got sitting over there. We're just going to rig something together with that for the time being. Hooked up here using some Swift engineering with dryer vent and duct tape, and now we're going to try to fire it up here and see if it starts. So it is definitely working, completely half butt installed. And yes, this is just temporary. Now we're going to go out and test the prototype and see how it works.